Okay, so here it is, Hong Kong chicken. All you need is some salt, some pepper, some ginger, some garlic, some dark soy sauce, some honey, and chicken. So how much chicken you need? The recipe says 10. I don't think I need that many pieces. But these are huge. So I have defrosted it. I've dabbed it dry. And there's just one thing I have to do before we go ahead. So I think that is the bum. And I'm going to cut that off. Back in a second. Okay, and also, how can I forget? Corn flour. Okay, so I'm using a plastic bowl. I would recommend using a glass bowl. You know, can you see different things stain your bowl? Alright, so I'm going to start with the chicken. Salt and pepper. As much as you want, or you can follow the actual recipe. And then we need about 2 spoons of garlic, two spoons of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, and okay, so I'm not going to measure here, so we need 2 spoons of dark soy sauce. I think that's about 1. That's about 2. Okay, this is very messy. And then we need 4 spoons of honey. 1, 2, 3, and I think that's about 4. And last but not least, 2 spoons of corn flour. It's about 1. Ooh! I think that's about 2. This is so messy. Okay, and then just get in there and mix it all up. Alright, just use your hands, rub it all in. Ooh, it smells amazing already. I love ginger and garlic. So it's pretty sticky. So this is going to soak overnight, okay? This is not easy because I'm using one hand. And I would recommend measuring, okay? I always like intense flavors. And yeah, I don't like following recipes and rules, so, but I think it's all still going to go in your tummy. Doesn't matter which way you do it. And okay, so make sure salt and pepper, honey, corn flour, ginger and garlic, and soy sauce. So I'm going to let this soak overnight, but actually I'm just going to let it soak for 1 or 2 hours because I'm really hungry. And oh, it smells amazing. Okay, so if you want a better result, let it soak overnight, keep it in the fridge, and then put it into the oven, 180 degrees. And so when your chicken is getting nice and brown and you can see it getting all nice and sticky, then you know that it's ready. Okay, so after a couple of hours of soaking, you could turn it and let it soak on the other side. I don't want to get my hands messed again. I recommend getting lots of paper towels as well. Turn over, chicken. Okay. Alright, so I don't really like very sweet stuff, so I think that's why I put a little bit more salt, so it doesn't taste as sweet as it's going to be. Alright, okay, so I'm going to let that stand for 1 more hour, and then I'm going to shove it into the oven and show you the end result. So here's the end result, Hong Kong chicken. It's amazing. I cut a piece and I had a piece. The only thing I found that a lot of the sticky stuff fell onto the pan and I had to scoop it up. It's all sticky with all the flavors and everything. But a lot stayed on, but I think most fell off. But it tastes amazing. Enjoy!